it was successful. Yesterday I was on Pinterest and I saw there was a pin where someone was advertising a generator. This generator was to help you pick color palette, and then it like converts it to the DMC thread colors. So that got me thinking that I could also build some sort of generator that would help people who embroider. Right now and yesterday I've been working on a generator. I don't know how helpful it will be right now. What it does is you could type in whatever quote you want on a hoop design, and then you could choose your hoop size, and it does it to regular printer paper. You can change it to a couple fonts. Font size allows you to download a PDF file in printer size paper, like a simple frame around it. So it could be like a zigzag frame, double circle frame, dotted frame around the hoop. Right now, I'm thinking of a couple things to add onto it, but I don't have it live on my website yet. I need to make sure that it actually prints the correct sizing. I kind of want to make sure that it is something helpful, but I have a lot of ideas right now. I'm pretty motivated to work on it. We'll see how it goes. If I have it live, I will link it in the description so you can check it out. So I've been working on my generator, but I was trying to get it to have the text kind of curve, but I was having a hard time getting it to do that. So now just giving up on that, and I'm trying to refine other things to hopefully get it up on my website, and then I'll show you guys what I have so far for it. Basically what it is you select the hoop size, 3 inch, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be updating here to what the regular printer paper size would be. Here, the font size that it automatically setting it to based off of the hoop size is right here, and it changes when you're changing the hoop size. You can choose a couple different fonts, which will update there. And then you can add a frame. So there's a few there. I like the zigzag one, that one's kind of nice. You can align the text left or right or center. I tried to do the alignment to go where it's curved, but I was having a hard time with that because the letters would just kind of go straight, or there was a time where they were kind of looking on top of each other but curved. So that didn't work. I decided to just kind of let go of that being an option for now. And then there is a quote that you can add in here. So it has a couple cheesy quotes that you can randomly kind of go through. So there's some in here, or if you just want to do your own, you can just do that as well. So once you've got the design you want in the hoop you want with whatever frame you want, you can press download PDF. That will give you the hoop size and the text that you chose to go with. So it's this top one right here. And from there, so this is your printer paper size PDF file that you can just print out, and it should be the size of the hoop that you chose. I still have to test it. This dotted area is just the placement for the hoop. This is part of the design, and so is this, and it tells you what hoop size you chose, and just my little branding information down there. I'll have a link in the description in case you wanted to play around with it. Let me know if you think that you would use something like this. I'm not sure how many people would want to use it. For now, it's simple design, so it's perfect for any beginner that just wants maybe something custom that they want to gift to someone. There's different fonts. It should be pretty close to what the hoop size is that you choose. Like I said, I still have to test it, but if I've linked it, then I've already tested it and it should be good to go. Right now it's 10 o'clock, so I need to shower and ready for bed because tomorrow is Thursday and I work. It's been a couple days. It is Saturday now. Friday, yesterday, I worked a little bit more on the generator I've been working on, but I think it's at a good place. I do still need to do some tests for printing on the different size hoops, so I'm hoping I could do that today. like how it turned out. Because you can customize what words you want on it, it can be helpful if you want to make like a gift for someone, maybe put a date. It's a little bit later. I think I'm gonna set it live today. I need to figure out what hoop sizes I have so I know what hoop size to check it with. I don't want to keep pushing it off, so we'll see how much I can get done. So it's a little later now. And after my testing, I found that my sizing is completely thrown off, but it makes sense why. I just didn't think it through. So the hoop sizes, so this one I tested in supposedly a 7-inch hoop, right? My options for printing was a 3-inch hoop all the way to a 10. But the printer paper is only 11 to 8.5. So there's no way that a 10-inch hoop would even fit here without getting cut off. When you see the preview, it's resizing supposedly into the different sizes, but that's incorrect because if it were a 10, the design should have been cropped off based on the preview. So it was definitely sizing it wrong. So now I'm gonna try and see if I can readjust it. I'm gonna remove size 9 and 10 because obviously that's not gonna be an option. We'll see and then we'll retest. There's no way. 8. So now the sizing looks good, but I'm seeing that when I put it on the WordPress, the form takes up a big amount of space. As you're updating the form for it to show on the bottom. So I'm looking to see how to change that. Hopefully that's it. I could test it. And so far when I test it with the PDF, just on the screen, sizing the printer paper to my screen, and then I measure the hoop, it's the correct sizes now. I'm gonna keep doing this and hopefully the sizing of all of this will be fixed. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Round 2 testing. I'm going to screen record the process for printing, and then I'm gonna print it. And I think sizing should be good this time. Everything looks good. I put the form a little bit smaller so the preview is showing while you're updating it. All right, it was successful. I'm measuring it now and it is 4 inches. Finally got it correctly for